So today I have a very exciting, small, but still exciting unboxing to share with you. Interested to see what I picked up? Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style. You're gonna find right here. So before we go any further, you know the drill. Hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. You're probably here for a very exciting, albeit small, but nonetheless exciting unboxing. And I'm happy to share that with you. Where did I go shopping? Well, I'm glad you asked, stay curious. We hit Gucci, Longchamp, and one of my favorite for designer menswear, Armani. So Zane and I, we were just like bored. For those of you who live in the Chicagoland area, like you know, last Friday, last Saturday, the weather was, Friday it was gloomy and rained all day. Saturday, like wind out of nowhere, crazy town wind. So we just didn't really do anything Friday and Saturday. As you all know, I took the week off for my birthday and we were just kind of like chilling. It was a staycation this time. Kind of boring, but a staycation nonetheless. And you know, by the time Sunday hit, I was going stir crazy. I said to Zane, I'm like, listen, let's get dressed. Let's hop in the car. I want to go to the outlet. If you caught my birthday unboxing, link down below, you'll already know that I bought myself an Hermès Kelly. So I wasn't looking to do a whole lot of shopping. I also can't say no to a good deal. So catch 22. Should I have gone? Probably not. Did I go? Yes. Did I get great things? Yes. Am I mad about it? Never. Anyway, let's dive in. First, I'm going to start out in the order that I actually purchased things. So we're going to start out with Gucci, work our way to Longchamp, and then down the hallway to Armani. All right. So you are all probably very familiar with this bag. It's from the outlet, right? Now this piece is gorgeous. Was it on my radar before? No, not really. Like it's one of those things that you can like low-key appreciate when you see it in like print ads or on the runway. You're like, oh, that's cute. It's a vibe. Until I saw it in person, I didn't know I had to have it. Any guesses on what's inside this hideous green Gucci box? Yes, I still hate the packaging. I said what I said. Don't hate me. If you guess jewelry, I mean, you know me too well. I love me some over-the-top crazy runway jewelry. Okay guys, so low-key, this was like the first time in a very long time, years actually, that we just walked right up to the Gucci outlet store and didn't have to wait in line. My SA that I was working with a couple years ago left, so now I have to stand in the line because I don't have the contact info for anyone inside the store yet. I'm not bitter, I'm bitter. I'm gonna say what I'm about to say, and you can't hold this against me in 3 months when I'm like, oh my God, Gucci. I'm tired of Gucci a little bit. I feel like each runway season, we've seen it. Like it's another iteration of something we've seen. I get it, I appreciate it. I have a lot of Gucci ready to wear, jewelry, bag, you name it. So it's easy to mix it back into your wardrobe, but it's like, I need something new. I need something new. And it's not given the gives, but this piece is. Now you know me, I love a crazy over-the-top statement piece of jewelry, and this is no exception. This is from the 2019 Cruise Runway collection, and it is the Raja brooch. I mean, can we just? Now, if you're like, oh my God, that looks familiar, you're not wrong. This was all up and down the runway, and I think at this point, I probably own 70% of the costume jewelry from that runway collection. That's no exaggeration. I have the Hercules, lots of the crosses, the cameos, you name it. Link down below for my Gucci jewelry collection, even though I've added more to it since then. But this piece, this is a 100% total vibe. This is the Raja brooch, and it's just made of resin and then dotted with crystals and hand painting details. And you would think like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be super heavy. Like I saw it just sitting there on its beautiful linen pillow inside the glass case. And I'm like, oh my God, that has to weigh a ton. I must have it. It's so light, you guys. And what I really like too about this piece, this is what Harry Styles was wearing in all the print ads for that collection. Remember, it was on both sides of his lapel and the brooch in the middle, which I also have in my collection. I need to find the mirrored side so that way I can pull up that same look with some of my Gucci dinner jackets. How fire would that be? Especially my gold one. That's a vibe. Or the blue one. Or the plaid one. I don't know. It'll work with any of them, quite frankly. And you know I love wearing them like all en masse on one shoulder, so I'll probably do that eventually. But you guys, this is stunning. I am so excited to have this in my collection. They had a few of the necklaces there that were actually really well priced. So they had some of the smaller Maltese crosses at only $140 for both the black and the colored glass. And then they had the larger one, which was only $235. This piece I think was only $235 as well, which if you know how Gucci prices their runway jewelry is quite a steal, not gonna lie. They also had the clear version with the turquoise stones underneath the clear resin, but I was this close to buying it. Not gonna lie. I tried it on, I'm looking in the mirror, I'm like, I love it, but clear resin will eventually yellow And I'm not here to spend that much money on Gucci jewelry just for it to yellow or fall apart. My one cocktail ring was bad enough. That's the Gucci haul. Let's move down to a little bit of Longchamp. So I love Longchamp, don't get me wrong. It's one of my favorite brands. In fact, every time we travel through Europe, I have a tradition of picking up a new Le Pliage tote. And Zane's mother loves Longchamp. She's got like some back and shoulder issues, so she needs to carry lighter bags. Her Longchamp backpacks that we picked up for her come in clutch. She loves them. The totes are super cute too. I want to kind of, when it comes to Longchamp, adventure out of the Louis Vuitton collection. Like, it is classic, it is perennial, it is everyone's favorite. I love it too, but I want to try some of the other lines from Longchamp. They have gorgeous leathers. I love their scarves. Their SLGs are actually super cute, really well made and decently priced. So I picked up an SLG. The color, oh my gosh, you guys, the color is everything on this. It is so stinking cute. It's in this little sleeper pouch. This is from the Brioche collection, which just makes me hungry. And it is the little coin purse in the color Jade. I freaking love this thing. So I'm really tall. You all know that. I'm 6'7". Zane's a foot shorter than me. So it's easier for him to shop, especially in the glass cases that have like the little shelves on the inside. If it's like past like the front of the second shelf down, I don't see it unless I stand back and like do one of these, and then I look weird and people walk in front of me, and it's a whole thing. Zane was across the store. He saw this and he's like, oh, aren't you gonna look at that? I'm like, what are you talking about? Oh yeah, 100% I am. So the guy came over, he took it out of the case, and I mean, how cute is this thing? So it has the ruthenium hardware. The interior is just a satin lining, and it is so stinking cute. It's like a puffy leather, like there's some padding in there, and I want to try something. If you've already run out and purchased your Bang & Olufsen headphones, congratulations, you've made a wonderful choice. I want to see if this fits, because you know me, I love buying pouches to put little things in that probably don't need them to begin with, and this is no exception. How stinking cute is that? And I was thinking too, imagine, now you all know my handbag collection, my raisin city bag with this jade color. Phenomenal combo. I might have to dig that out of the closet this week because that's a vibe. 100% vibe check passed. I said what I said, not gonna lie. Oh, what did I pay? That's a great question. What did I pay for this? You guys, you are so curious. I love that about you. Please never change. I paid $75 before tax. Like I said, I was low-key like trying not to really shop. I wasn't really looking to add anything. I mean, I just got my dream bag. I just got another Telfar bag. I had a beautiful birthday. I didn't really need more. I mean, we always need more, but I didn't need more, if you know what I'm trying to say. But I found it anyway. It finds me. The good deals and the beautiful things, they just find me, and I can't help it. It's one of my character flaws. Zane shaking his head yes, and we all emphatically agree. What did I get from Armani? Oh, before we get there, I have to share with you guys the coolest thing happened to me at Theory this weekend. How many people can say that the coolest thing happened to me at Theory? Theory's a great store and all. I love their clothes. It's more Zane style than mine. We're walking in, Zane's, you know, looking at coats, looking at cute little shirts and stuff, and I'm just like, okay, you know, you've gone to my stores, I'll go to your store, I'll be nice. And we walk in, and from across the men's section, this young man points out, he's like, oh, I just watched your video this morning. I was like, oh, you did? I met my first viewer. How stinking cool is that? So here we are hanging out at Theory together. We had a lovely little chat. Hi, Aaron. So super huge shout out. If you've ever seen me in public, come up and say hi. I promise I'm not mean. Like, I'm still over the moon about it. It was so much fun. Anyway, Armani. I love Armani. I have a lot of Armani runway and ready-to-wear in my collection. Have you seen me in it in a minute? No, I know I need to get on the diet train. I just started today, give it time. I'll get back in my Armani soon. When it comes to men's ready-to-wear and just the way things are tailored, the materials used, the construction, the quality, I'm gonna say what I'm about to say, and I mean it 100%. Giorgio Armani is flawless. I said what I said. We all fell in love with him in the 80s during The American Gigolo. Love that film. Aesthetically, it's gorgeous. Storyline, it's a little meandering. Anyway, we're not here for a movie review. I love Giorgio Armani. Not gonna lie, this was no exception this weekend. We were about to walk out. In fact, I think we were actually about to walk to Coach because the line had died down, and you know me, I love the Coach Reserve. Not gonna lie. Zane's like, well, let's pop into Armani. I'm like, fine, there's no line, the doors are open, let's just go in. And of course, immediately I walk in and there's beautiful things everywhere. In fact, there was the one time I didn't buy the $11,000 coat marked down to only $1,100. That will haunt me for the rest of my life. It was beautiful, suede, ruche, pleated. Oh, tailored for the gods. I actually look really good in it. As you can tell, I mean, there's nothing I can't pull off. I'm just kidding. I'm not that pompous. But it's true though. There's really not much I'm just kidding. The price point on this was phenomenal, you guys. I'm not below, you know, rifling through that 70% off plus 20% off rack in the back. I'm not below that. I love a good deal. And these pants, yes, pants are no exception. So what collection are they? You know, what year are they? I don't know. I haven't dug in yet. I'm gonna have to go through like the Vogue Runway app just to see. But these are phenomenal. They're just kind of like this really light fabric, elastic waistband. Love that right now. Emporio Armani here on the back. They were marked down to $275 with an additional 70% off of that and an additional 25% off of that, which brought them down to $57.75. I've paid more for pants from ASOS. These are Emporio Armani. Yes, they're not quite Giorgio Armani, but I dabble in some Emporio from time to time. I mean, look at that color, the pleating. I mean, these are some phenomenal pants. And best of all, they're comfy. They are comfy AF. Comfy vibes only this fall and winter. Like, I'm here for it. Super cute, super casual. I can wear these to like the movies. No, I don't want to drip popcorn on them. But I can wear them out shopping or to lunch or all the other fun activities that I do outside of work. I have a life, sometimes. He tried to lie to himself. Anyway, guys, what did you think of my haul? Is it random? Is it all over the place? Is it everything Caleb Snell? Yes, yes, and yes to all of the above. We're here for it. It's a vibe. Now, what was your favorite piece? I'm gonna say that you're probably all going to be torn between, I mean, like, yay, pants, that's my favorite. I mean, if it is, power to you, respect, safe space. But I feel like you guys are gonna be torn between the Gucci brooch and the Longchamp brioche coin pouch thing. Both are super cute. I mean, all three items are super cute. I mean, I bought them. Hello, they were handpicked by yours truly. Now, I'm curious too. We have Black Friday coming up soon, the holidays, everything else. What crazy finds have you guys found at the outlets recently? We only have 6 weeks left. I'm trying to be good, but I'm curious. What finds have you guys picked up at the outlets recently? You guys usually keep me updated down in the comments with like what you're buying, what you're looking at, what you're thinking about, and I love hearing about that. I love keeping up with you guys, and it's so much fun. That's my little mini haul today. Now, real quick announcement. This Friday, we are going to air the Lost episode. Dramatic effect in post-edit. I don't know what that'll be, but dramatic effect. The Lost episode. So it is going to still be a weekend vlog. We're still keeping to that train. I did take this weekend off. I mean, did you really want to see me sit around the house in my pajamas and play video games on Saturday? Wasn't that exciting? I was bored. You'd be bored. Not good entertainment. However, the Lost episode is Zane's birthday weekend from September 5th. 2 months ago. We're gonna have the cute little weekend vlog, us in the city doing like museum things. Love that for us. And then we're gonna do a quick unboxing of his birthday gifts. Now, before you all roast me, yes, Zane, I'm gonna tell them. We spent the same amount on each other. He just got fewer things. So don't roast me in the comments. And there were things he wanted too. I'm just gonna put that out there. He's laughing at me, but I know someone's gonna say something like, oh, Zane got you a mountain of stuff and you only got him 3 things. They were the same cost. And it's what he wanted, kind of, mostly. Yeah, you wanted it. I hope you're excited about the Lost episode as I am. Zane's gonna get a lot of camera time because I'm gonna make him unbox his own stuff. Do you guys think, yeah, let me know in the comments. Let us both know, do we think Zane is ready for some solo camera time? I'm curious. He says, okay. He yawned and said, okay. He's not as excited as I am, but let's work together. Let's get him on camera more. All right, guys. Well, that is my haul. 3 items. What did I spend? I don't know, like $400 maybe on 3 beautiful items, and that wouldn't have even covered this full price. I'm a savvy shopper. What can I say? I'm not. That's so silly. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. This was fun. I hope you had fun. Hi, Erin, if you're watching. So until Friday, stay safe, have fun, and we'll see you guys then. All right, bye-bye.